welcome to today's video. My name is Josephine and I have missed you guys so much. I've not been here for a while, but I've been, I think about you, I read the comments, I respond whenever I can. And life has a way of just happening sometimes, and there are things that have to be at the top of the priority, and sometimes you're just gonna have to really have to think about what you need to do at the moment to focus and to give your all. But anyway, I am back, and I want to be intentional moving forward with this channel, and that means asking questions on the kind of content you would like to see from me. What kind of questions do you have surrounding your health and wellness, dealing with fibroids, living a plant-based life to really heal your body, to heal everything in you? You know what I mean? I really want to be intentional in a way that, after watching this video, you go to the comment box and you write what you would like to see, what you would like to hear me talk about moving forward. Anyway, how are you doing? I've been reading your comments. I am very grateful to read the comments, and I do respond sometimes, and forgive me if I haven't responded to your comments, but I read about all these beautiful stories. Some of them, of course, are very emotional because you're opening up to me and you're pouring your heart and you're telling me what you're dealing with, and I don't take that lightly. So I do appreciate you opening up. I do appreciate you purchasing ebook from me. I do appreciate the emails I get, and I do appreciate this community that you guys just stick around, even if I don't show up for you on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, but you still show up here. You still digest the content and you do something about it. Anyway, I just want to check in with you. The comments that I get mostly is the anxiety that surrounds healing your body using food as medicine. As you have seen some of my videos, I am predominantly plant-based eater. I have gone from being extremely vegan to adding fish and eggs, and now I can really say that I am predominantly plant-based eater. 10% is left for fish, and I go back and forth with eggs. Minimal dairy consumption, and only because I have also come to understand that food means differently for everyone. There are people who eat food as a comfort. It's a cultural thing. It's a way to heal their body. It's a way to build their body. For me, food has become something that I use to heal my body, to nourish my body, to make my body thrive, so that I can ease up into my everyday activity. I can just feel really energetic. I can really have my monthly menses, like not daunting ones, like really I can be at peace and no pain and not taking medication. I use food for just healing my body basically, and I've continued to do that. So even if I'm not online telling you what I'm doing practically, because the reason why I started this channel was to share my story, to share the tips, some of the things that I do. I am still on the journey. I am still learning, and I am still learning from you guys as well, because you do ask questions, and sometimes that gets me thinking as well. So this video today is just a little encouragement for you if you are on that journey right now and you don't see the destination yet, because we don't know the destination, but you're on that journey to heal your body, to make you thrive in your body, to shrink fibroids naturally. I hope that you're going to be encouraged and keep pushing and do not give up, because the reason why I always say it's just keep that faith, keep that prayer, keep on moving, keep on eliminating what you need to do in order for you to heal your body. If you are stuck and you don't know where to begin, and you feel like there's someone you can talk to, who you can open up to about what you're dealing with, because fibroid can be a very lonely journey. I remember personally when I started, like when I found out I had fibroids, that was like 5 years ago, and I was like devastated, and I was lonely, and it was like I didn't know what to do. I was getting a lot of conflicting information. It would be best to find someone who can you can talk to, and you can really open up and brainstorm on how you would like to move forward. Because the truth is, I know that not everyone will go the food route, which is the natural way of healing the body. I truly believe that food is medicine, and that's how I continue to use it. I know that some people, they need more than that. They need more. It could be the surgical route, but even when you go the surgical route, what are you doing after that? What are you going to do after that? Is it going to be still the same things that you're doing, that you're putting into your body? Or is it that emotions that are still weighing you down, that you haven't checked in, and you have not really nurtured that part of you, the feminine energy in you, to just calm those emotions that are really contributing to you feeding fibroids? Because I've talked about, it's not just about food. Food is just a little percentage of it. There's that emotional part of it as well, like a huge part of it, your mind, your body, your emotions, your spiritual wellness. There's all these different factors that really contribute to female reproductive disorders, or disease, if I may call them that. So it's just important to connect with someone who will understand and you can open up to. That person could be someone you're close to. It could be someone you're not close to, in a way that it's an outside professional help that might just really listen to what you have to say and maybe give you some of their ideas. You can exchange ideas. Or it could be someone you really trust and you're close to them. You can book a one-on-one consultation with me as well, because I do that as well, where we can get to talk and we figure out how to support you on your journey or where you're at. So all this is important, to just find the right support, people who love you, who care for you. And I hope that you have that in your corner, because it makes a huge difference on how to navigate some of these female reproductive disease that, we women, we just go through with, that happens in our bodies. And I hope that as of this moment, the things that I've talked about in this channel are things that you're putting into practice. You are loving yourself. You are talking positive about things in your life. You're being positive about the things that you're doing in your life. You're putting positive energy towards the things that really matter. This is very important. I have found myself as well, where, when I find my mind is drifting off and I'm going through some things and I need to pull myself back and just focus on what is positive, focus on what I can share with you guys that can uplift you, something that you probably hadn't think about, and might just come up, and might just be something that you are looking to get into. So I hope that you're on this journey with faith, with God, with yourself, holding on, doing what you need to do for your body, for yourself, and not giving up. Every day, try the things that will help you. And the things that I talk about would start with food. Food is a big thing for me. Food for me looks like a whole plant-based food, eating a lot of nutritional foods that actually feed your body and like really help you balance the hormones in your body. For me, self-care is a huge thing. Self-care has become a top thing for me in my life, in this stage of my life, because if I don't take care of myself emotionally, mentally, every part of my body, if I don't take care of myself, if you don't take care of yourself, you're not going to be able to be the best version of you. It looks like just looking into those emotional things that are weighing you down. And I know that life is stressful in general. There's so many things going on around us, but there is some beauty in all these that we go through. There's a beauty in every situation. You can look at it like I discovered fibroids. The beauty that came out of it is I started the channel. I created the website. I was able to open up a space where I can talk and have conversations with women on one-on-one, to be able to support you in whichever way you can. So in everything, the worst in life, there is some beauty in there. There is beauty to be discovered. You only have to breathe in, you have to pray, you have to center yourself, you have to discover the things that you didn't know or you're still learning about, how to take care of your body, your emotions, your food, what you eat, the people around you. You have to relearn, like remothering yourself. I am remothering myself at this point in my life. I am learning. I'm a mother of two, but I'm also remothering myself. I'm trying to learn how to be emotionally strong, to be able to handle things better, stress-wise, and just that might look differently for everyone. So this video is to let you know that I'm here. Whatever content, whatever questions you have, I'm planning on starting a platform where I can engage more on one-on-one basis on people who really are looking for that support. And I will share more information as we go. But do leave questions there in the comment box. I want to hear what's happening with you. I want to hear all the positive things, even the negative things. We can be on this thing together. You know, it's not always all glittery and all beautiful. You know, we go through life, the good, the bad, the ugly, but at the end of the day, you come out stronger, you come out a better person, you come out someone who really learning about yourself, remothering yourself, and just being, you know, loving yourself better and taking care of yourself. So that was it for this video. I hope that you be well, be healthy, be safe, and find that joy within you no matter what. Until next time, bye-bye. Take care.